Guys, it's me, Molivinus, and before I go any further, just gonna tell you right now, all the artists are linked in the description to these original images, just in case you want to go and check them out. Anyways, guys, this is the 20th episode, and yes, I'm actually double checking my numbers. I know last time I was off by 1, and I got like 20 different comments telling me, oh, you're off, oh my god. Sorry guys, human make mistakes. Anyways, if you guys couldn't tell, this is a Flim Flam episode. Yes, they are back. The mysterious Yaoi shippable duo is back. And they're back in Ponyville. And here's a little rundown. The Flim Flam brothers cure all tonic promises Ponyville citizens a chance to be rid of their ailments. Applejack has her doubts about the merits of the tonic, until Granny Smith begins taking it and appears to be cured of all aches and pains. I mean, I'm just gonna go ahead and say right now, this is probably placebo effect 101. You're gonna tell someone that this will cure them, and they truly believe that it will, and such, they become better. The human body is amazing like that. And these ponies have literally inherent magic, so it'd be probably pretty amazing what a placebo effect could do in that world. So, as usual, there's no visuals for it because, hey, it's Saturday. If you are just watching this and it's past the episode air date, go watch the episode. It's probably going to be on my main channel for at least 2 days, maybe 3-ish. Don't know exactly. What we'll do is we'll upload the video and then we'll remove the video after a day or 2. And there you go. So people will be able to see it day 1 and day 2. But after that, we're going to remove it to avoid any strikes. Anyways, that's the premise of it. And because these guys are pretty much antagonists, why don't you guys go ahead and tell me who's your favorite antagonist in the entire series? I'm going to go ahead and say right now, mine would have to be Chrysalis. I know you guys might be expecting Nightmare Moon, but I actually enjoyed Chrysalis a lot more, and I wish we had a lot more with her. Just to let you guys know, reformed villains do count, so Discord is fair game. So enjoy that. As always, guys, I'm Molivinus. Peace, Lim out. I'll see you guys in whatever I make next. Bye.